Okay, so what I want to share with you is a social emotional learning curriculum called Every Monday Matters. This is a completely free resource that gives you all kinds of free scripted lesson plans, and there's like zero prep. Like you just open it up and you click on whatever week you're on and you go right to the lesson, and it's really cool. So I'll show you how to get where I'm at first. When you go to Every Monday Matters, it looks like this, and you can select what kind of program you have. This would be good for like one of those boys and girls clubs or even for school. We do advisory period at the end of every day, and so on Mondays I like to do a social emotional lesson with my students, and so I have just started using this resource. So it's very new to me. I don't really know a whole lot about it, but I will share with you what I've discovered so far. So you can go to your teacher resources and you scroll down, and they have a little video that you can watch that kind of explains how things work. You have your K through 12 lessons, you have your family parent resources, and your student resources. And I'm just going to select the K through 12 lessons, and I can scroll down, and then it's got the week overview right here. Okay, so month overview, I'm sorry. So the theme for this entire month is mindfulness. So the first thing that you would do is the monthly kickoff video. So there is a very fun, exciting video at the beginning of every month that you have your students watch. And so you click that, and that's about as much as I've done so far with my students because, like I said, we haven't really done this. We just started. But then like this week, I would do the weekly kickoff tomorrow for Every Monday Matters. And if I wanted to do a lesson every single day, there is one. So maybe on Tuesday you do the I Matter activity. On Wednesday you do the You Matter activity. And then Thursday the We Matter activity. Then you would do a reflection activity on Friday. If you don't have time for daily social emotional learning, you absolutely could just do this once a week. And it doesn't have to be on Mondays. It can be any day of the week. And this is, you just do what you want when you can. And so let's say that I want to do the I Matter activity. So I would click that one, and it takes me directly to the scripted lesson plan. It tells me how long it should take, and it tells me like what kind of materials that we would need. It tells me all of the targets for social emotional learning that we are going to cover, and the goals for the week. And then it tells me what to say. Like, it's scripted. It's awesome. So and you can go through and do as much or as little of this as you would like. It's pretty cool. So that's where you would find that. And or if you just wanted once a month, maybe just to show the monthly videos, you could go here and go through and find a video of over whatever topic it is that you would like to share with them. But these are very inspirational and they are great. This is a great resource for emotional learning.